really want to visit you, and I really love you, love you so much. I really want to visit you someday. Call Grandma. Okay, I'm going to call Grandma now. I put on speaker.
Put on speaker.
Yeah. Grandma, when can I get a night to like spend the night with you? Cause the kids here are so crazy. So when can I like visit you and come over and spend the night? Like on Saturday morning, or Sunday morning, or Monday morning, or Tuesday morning, or Thursday morning, or Friday morning, or Wednesday morning, or
Lindy, that's enough.
okay, now I'm going to call Nick.
Oh my God.